In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel. Now, for us to get this done, let's go ahead and just tap this one right here and then choose new channel over here and then go ahead and name your channel. I'm going to go ahead and call this the new channel. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and click this as well in order for you to add some emojis in here. Now you can click this in order for you to upload image, and then you can write a description here. Now say for example, I'm just going to skip that. I'm going to click this one right here, and you have here a public channel and a private channel. So go ahead and choose which type of channel you'd like to use. And then if you're going to use public channel, you have to make your own public link here. So I'm going to go ahead and just write here a new channel. All right, seems like it's taken. Let's go ahead and add a number. All right, there you go. So yeah, you have to remember that when you are going to create a public link, other people will be able to find and join your link. Now go ahead and click this one if you're done, and then you can go ahead and start adding people to this channel. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add this one right here and then click this, and there you go. So channel has been created, and that's how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.